Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this sub-series, we will learn about SQL Server security. In this very first video, we will, the very first video for this sub-series, we will learn what is security and security principles. The database can be a bank, movie site, or online shopping. All requires securing the data. So security is important whatever is your database. The security tells what data can be accessed and who can access it. So that's the two important rule. One is what data and who can. SQL Server controls authentication in terms of principles. So that's how SQL Server calls it. So authentication is simply principles. There are two types of principles. One is Windows principles and another one is SQL Server principles. Windows principle is controlled by Active Directory service, and we know that what is Windows principle is. Say for example, if you are logging into a specific Windows machine, you will specify a domain user account and password. So the domain user account is specified by the directory service. Say for example, let's talk about a banking domain, and the bank name is, say for example, ABC Bank. There will be an employee who belongs to this ABC Bank. So in Active Directory service, there is a possibility of domain name ABC, and inside the domain, if there is a specific subdepartment, and in that subdepartment name, the domain service will be called. So inside the domain, you will be having the user account. So all these stuffs are maintained by Active Directory service, and user who belongs to that Active Directory service is called Windows principles. In SQL Server, you can log in using your Windows domain, and that is called a Windows principal. The user account who belongs to the Windows Active Directory service, AD service, we can simply call, and the user who belongs to the AD service is what called Windows principal inside the SQL Server. So SQL Server can also maintain certain security objects, and we call that as SQL Server principal. Say for example, the default SA account that belongs to this SA account belongs to SQL Server principal. To use SQL Server principles, SQL Server should be installed with mixed mode. So mixed mode configuration means it will support both Windows as well as SQL Server principle. So both mode it will support. The security is a big topic, and an entire course can be dedicated towards it. In this sub-series, we will learn most frequently used security tasks. So there is no demo in here. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.